We're underneath a Scion Xa, just taking a quick look. This vehicle would not accept fuel. And it's sucking dirt somehow into the evaporative system. Now this hose will go right up to the filler neck. So when you're putting gas in, it's going to go in the big line here, but then vent has to vent the fuel vapor somehow. But so apparently all the venting is plugged up with dirt and debris. There, right over here, plugged up. Canister filter. They're also cleaning a solenoid in the sink. So if you have a Scion Xa that's not taking fuel at all, you may have to check your evaporative system. If you live in a dirty, dusty environment, and check for plugged hoses, tubes,